Guys, Mr. Shed now, if you can hear the wind sound, now the wind sound is pretty annoying. Now, once I record a video about Average can stop making donation reaction, not donation, but Smash or Pad videos, my bad. But I did have that video, but I don't know what happened to that video. It got somewhat deleted out of nowhere because I was trying to trim the video so I can get good video quality, So it basically got deleted by accident. But what I'm trying to say, if you guys can hear the weird sound of my video called Average can stop making these video Smash and Pass, you can hear these sounds coming from my window. This shit's kind of annoying, dude. Like, I don't know what to do with it. These wind sounds and now it's stopped. When I recorded, now it's stopped. Wow. Yeah, it's gonna come back. Wait, my bad. Wait. So yeah, if you guys can hear it, so yeah. Yeah, you guys can hear those. So that's what I'm trying to say.